Today topic of lecture pricing methods and strategies. What is price? Price is the exchange value of a goods or service. It is the money value of a product. Price is the exchange or transfer from manufacturer to user. Value of a goods or services is the money value of a product. Any product, the money. It is called a product. It is called a price. This price is decided the based the that product cost of production and competition of product and demand of product. Three factors you consider the decide the product price. That purpose also different methods you follow. That all are pricing methods and strategies. Pricing methods and strategies are divided the different methods. That all are known as follows. First one is cost oriented pricing method. Next one, competition oriented price method. Strategy based pricing method. These methods also basically divided the three categories. First one is cost oriented pricing method. In this methods based the our product cost, manufacturing cost or expenditures, that based the decided the our product price. This is one type of method. Competition oriented pricing method. This based the our product competition in the market. That based the decided the our product price. Last one is strategy based pricing method. Strategy means on planning, internal planning. This main purpose or increase the sales or demand based. That is a strategy based pricing methods. These all are one by one I explain now. Cost oriented pricing methods also again divided the different categories. First one is cost plus pricing. Target pricing method. Marginal cost pricing method. These all are three categories. This type of methods based the product expenditure or manufacturing cost. First one is cost plus pricing method. This is the one type of the cost oriented pricing method. In this method, product price decided the based product manufacturing cost. Consider the total manufacturing cost of product plus add the some profit, that is a product or service prices. In this type also you consider the total expenditure all for a product manufacturing. Add some amount of profit. It is a cost plus pricing method. Next one is target pricing method. It is also one of the cost oriented pricing method. In this method also already you manufacturers or business people target some percentage of profit rate in the mind fixed already. This method also you total expenditure plus add or target percentage of profit add. For the example, manufacturer or producer mind is fixed 10% or expenditure per product cost. That cost plus 10% profit. It is a target pricing method. Before decided the or get the profit, how much in mind fix some percentage, some rate. That rate also add our product expenditure. That is a target pricing method. Next one is marginal cost pricing. Cost also divided the three categories: fixed cost, marginal cost, variable, and fixed cost, semi-variable cost. In this type of pricing, decided about two methods: total cost considered, total cost plus add up some profit and some percentage of profit, above two methods. In this method also avoid fixed cost and semi-variable cost. Only consider the variable cost or marginal cost. Marginal cost also it is called a variable cost. Only this cost considered the decided the our product price. This cost plus some add the profit. It is a marginal cost pricing method. These all are cost oriented pricing methods. First one is cost plus pricing method. Second one is target pricing method. Third one is marginal cost pricing method. First method is considered the total expenditure or cost for product, that plus add some profit. It is a product price. Second method also already mind fixed some target, some percentage of profit rate, all expenditure plus add that percentage of profit rate. It is a price of product. Last one is marginal cost pricing. All cost also divided three categories. First one fixed cost, variable cost, and semi-variable cost. Marginal cost is called a variable cost. Only consider the decided the product price based the marginal cost or variable cost in this method. These all are pricing methods of cost oriented. Next one is competition oriented pricing methods. This methods also based the competition decided the pricing. Going rate pricing method, customary pricing method, sealed bid pricing method. These all are three categories of competition oriented pricing methods. First one is going rate pricing method. In this method is one of the competition oriented pricing method. In this method, decided the price based the supply and demand our product. More demand, that price is more. Low demand, our product price is low based the demand. Same time also availability of product or supply, more supply in the market, that time also price is low. Low supply available in the market, that time price is more. Based the supply and demand, not constant this type of price or products. Based the situationally market and supply and demand. It is a going rate pricing method. Next one is customary pricing method. In this type of method also product cost different pricing methods, low or high, that based the customer need, customer want, consider the product quality, quantity, more quality, more quantity, that price is more. Product is same, cost also different prices. Need the customer want. Some customers also you want good quality, big size. That product is same, price is variation based the quality, based the design, based the size. It is a customer pricing method. Next one is sealed bid pricing method. It is one of the more important pricing method. Bidding or quotations of the contracts. In this type of method also, you bid the quotate price in seal cover. After some date or time, open the that all are sealed cover. Who is buyer? I quotate, that quotation is accepted. Who is seller? Low quoted, that quotation is accepted. It is a sealed bid pricing method. This is the main contracts or big organizations, any product, more government sector, services, offices, you purchase the material, any requirement, you call for the quotations. that based the suppliers you quote in the sealed cover, that all are sealed covers, particular date, particular time opened. Who is low cost, low price, put it that supplier or seller quotation is accepted. It is a sealed bid pricing method. These all are competition oriented pricing methods. First one is going rate pricing method. Second one is customary pricing method. Third one, sealed bid pricing. Next one is strategy based pricing methods. Strategy also internal planning. Any price decided the some specific strategy internally. That all are strategical based pricing methods. These all are some different methods for decided the pricing. That all are as follows. Market skimming method, market penetration method, black pricing method, pick load pricing method, price discrimination method. These all are strategy based pricing methods. First one is market skimming method. It is market one of the strategy based pricing method. In this method, main use new products, new goods, new item in the market introduced. In this method also starting is high cost, high price decided. Sometime after that price is reduced, price is decreased. It is a market skimming method. High cost you thought starting new product, some users also you attracted that purchase. Only few members or rich peoples or some persons also their habit to you purchase the any new product in the market. You purchase, not consider the price. Low price also you purchase that persons. Only few members. Why that cost is highly. After some days, you change of the price or reduce or decrease. That price is low. Some users also attract. You purchase the more. Demand also increase. It is a market skimming method. First is highly cost, highly price decided starting time. After some days, that product price is reduced or decreased in this method of pricing. Next one is market penetration method. Is opposite of market skimming method. In this method is one of the strategy based pricing. In this method, opposite to skimming method. In this method also starting our new product, very low price. Low price also more users to attract. In the share of market, you more. Some days after, you slowly increase the our product price. Once you purchase more number, you not change that product. You stick on. Your that time also price also increase, not change of our product purchase. You purchase also continue, not effect. Slowly increase. Small amount. That amount is not considered the users or buyers. You price also increase or purchase the that products. It is a market penetration. It is one of the strategy planning. Next one is black pricing method. In this one of the type of method. In this method also price decided the some pack, some number, 3 or products one pack. That pack is purchased, you provide the some discount, some incentives. 2 soaps you purchase, 1 pen free. Huh? 5 soaps is purchased, 1 soap is free. Or provide some discount. Total pack you purchase, some rate also reduced, some percentage. It is a black pricing method. That is attract the users. You more sales. Two side also benefited. One side also users also benefit. Low price, more quantity. Purchase. Get the some profit. Manufacturers also you more sales. Our sales also increase. Our production also increase. Production also increase. Some expenditures input reduce. It is one of the benefit in this type of method. Next one is pick load pricing method. It is one of the strategy based pricing method. This decided the based the demand. Sometimes also more demand, some services. Sometimes also low demand. That high demand time also variation of price, change of price. That is a peak load pricing method. For the example, RTC or railways, some festival seasons, more demand, high demand. That time also separately you arrange some special buses. That time also price also variation. Price is increase, more price. That you get the more profits. That is a peak load pricing method based the demand, more demand. That time also more price. It is a peak load pricing method. Next, last one is price discrimination method. Discrimination is variation. Same product, same service. You collect the different users, different price rate. Not all are same. It is a price discrimination method. Variation of price. same product, same service, you collect the price is variation, different users or consumers. That is a price discrimination method. For the example, doctor treatment is same. That person is collect the based the person, low income peoples or people, poor peoples, you collect the low fees. Same treatment, same service. I rich people's, I financial sound person, you collect the more price. Different variation. Same treatment, same service to the doctor. Our friends or relatives, you consider the variation. Price of collection. It is a price discrimination method. These all are types of strategy based pricing methods. First one is market skimming. Second one is market penetration. Third one is black pricing. Fourth one is pick load pricing. Last one, price discrimination method. Today we know the what is pricing, methods of pricing. We know today topic is over. Thank you.